Good afternoon, students. This is Kiran Sir's voice. Today we are going to deal about the writing notices. How to write the notice in various topics. Okay. Uh, when we're discussing about the notice, this is the school notice. Actually, in last session, when the Thomas sir is in the school, that times they provide the so many types of notice. So this type of notice we have to discussing here. So how you have to write the notices? See here, students. See the page number 180. Okay. Notices have an important role in schools. Schools notice board provide information about meetings, competitions, annual celebrations, examinations, tours, trips, holidays, and so on. On the notice board, we have to write so many things. Okay, notices are also circulated to classes. So there are a notice board. On that notice board having a so many information, and this type of notice we have to discuss in this period. Okay, we have to writing the notice. See, there are so many examples. See the following examples. Stephen Peter Secondary School Patna, tuition fee for the second term. So there are first of all you have to write the date. After that, uh, after putting the heading, you have to mention the date, and after that clear information or complete information regarding that, and after that name of the designations of the person who has written the notice. These are the four things we have to understand in your letter, in your notice writing. Which are the things? A heading, date of the notice, clear or complete information, and designations, name and designation of the person who has written the notice. So this is the four main parts of this writing the notice. See here, Stephen Peter Secondary School Patna, tuition fee for the second term. This is the date, and the last date of payment of tuition fees for the second term is extended to 20th January. This is the important lines. So K. Joseph, this is the principal, and this principal have to give the notice to the students. So that's why principal put the clear information and clear idea regarding the fees. So that's why this is the notice writing. Do you understand? Now, for your better understanding, we have to see the another example. See here, page number 181. Tagore Public School, Ahmedabad. Inter-school essay writing competitions. And if we write for in our schools, so we have to write Vassalabai Vanwadi School of Scholars, Armory, inter-school essay writing competition. This is the heading. After that, putting the heading, you have to write the date, and this is the clear information. See, the English Literary Club Ahmedabad is going to organize an essay writing competitions. English at 10 a.m. on 12th October in the function hall in Ashram Road. The competition is for the students of classes 8, 9 and 10 belonging to the schools in Ahmedabad. ओके जो अहमदाबाद में स्कूल है उतने सारे स्कूल के बच्चे 8, 9, 10 के यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. द क्लब offers attractive prizes and merit certificates to the winners of the competitions. उसके बाद जीतने वालों को भी सर्टिफिकेट और प्राइजेस दिए जाएंगे. Students who wish to participate in the competition are asked to give their names to the secretary cultural club by 8 October. जिनको भी हिस्सा लेना है वो 8 अक्टूबर के पहले सेक्रेटरी कल्चरल क्लब के पास आकर आपको आपका नाम देना है. सो दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड आफ्टर दैट हु इज द सेक्रेटरी कल्चरल क्लब? अशोक कुमार. If you have to write here your name, you have to write Achilles Sahare, Secretary Cultural Club. You have to write. So, in this letter, in this writing notice, you have to notice the four things. Generally, sir said the before that, first is heading. Heading is important. See heading. After that, the date of writing the notice. कब वो डेट देनी है, कब आपको इस्टेब्लिश करनी है वो. आफ्टर दैट क्लियर और कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन. इन दिस पैराग्राफ दे गिविंग द क्लियर एंड कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड आफ्टर दैट द नेम ऑफ डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द पर्सन हु हैज़ रिटन द नोटिस. किसने नोटिस निकाला है उसका नाम और डेजिग्नेशन. दिस इज द इजी वे राइटिंग द नोटिस. Okay students, I hope that you understand very well how to write the notice. Make a one model and send on my personal account, and this is the your better understanding. Okay, so like this, इसके जैसा ही आप एक नोटिस बोर्ड तैयार कर मुझे आप सेंड कर सकते हो ऑन माय पर्सनल अकाउंट. ओके, I hope that you understand how to write the notice. You have to put up four things. These are the things. Four things are important, and write the notice like this. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.